I'm Claire Morgan, and improving water quality is important to me.
Stephen James ydw I, a mae gwella ansawdd dŵr yn bwysig I fi i'r amgylchedd a fy busnes I.
I'm Jeff Evans, and improving water quality is important to me.
12 months of public engagements have provided an estimated 1,000 individuals with an opportunity to gather information and understand potential risks to water quality, to commit to, plan and implement positive action before evaluating benefits and communicating findings.
Lorna showed me the model, which is really quite relevant, really quite important, because it means that in my head I can work out on my own farm where those things are potentially, where those risks are potentially happening.
It's vitally important that the water that leaves the farm is as clean as what comes onto the farm. We invested about 6 years ago on a massive slurry store, and that has made the slurry from being a problem to an asset.
Providing opportunities for farmers to acquire the knowledge needed to deliver environmental benefits such as improved surface and groundwater quality, better soil, improved habitats and all-round resource efficiencies also builds farm business viability. It's a more with less approach.
It's important to have good quality water because that will increase output without no extra cost. So really for the extra clean water they get, they will provide more litres of milk, and that's been proved on boreholes that have had sort of treatment to make it better. That it does work, and if the water's good quality, the cows will drink more and therefore produce more.
Ni wedi bod mas yn y parciau, ni wedi gwneud llefydd ar hyd yr afonydd I gadw'r gwartheg mas o'r dŵr. Bod nhw ddim yn trochi'r afon a pethau fel yna. A ni wedi gwneud pethau bach fel beth nhw'n galw sleeping policemen, ble mae'r shed ar un ochr a mae'r dŵr glân ar yr ochr arall. A pethau bach fel wneud siŵr bod ring feeders le ni'n bwydo'r damas yn y caeau ddim yn rhywle sy'n gallu creu mwc a dom yn mewn i'r afon.
Agriculture recognises that its practices contribute to 15% of water quality failures and is eager to demonstrate a commitment to improve. Enabling farmers to understand and utilise on-farm nutrient assets more accurately and efficiently is key.
We've been in egg production now for nearly 10 years, and we soil sample, and so we know exactly what our NP and K indices are, and now we're only actually using probably about 10% of the manure produced by our unit on our grassland. The rest, the other 90% we're exporting to other farmers. You need to be soil sampling. You don't have to use bag fertiliser, and for us there's a big cost saving in that because we know exactly we no longer have to buy P and K, we're just buying nitrogen when it's needed.
Against a backdrop of advocacy and financial support, the agriculture industry is keen to volunteer to deliver its role in the management of nutrients. There is a firm commitment to achieving high water quality standards via a multi-agency approach.
This project is only starting, and what I would like to see is this project leading to fruition and making fundamental changes that we can all buy into and support.
Agriculture recognises that water quality drives water quantity. Alongside partners globally, it is agriculture's desired responsibility to continue to deliver food production in a sustainable manner and to address the linked issue of water scarcity.
It's important to me to be able to protect the resources that I farm in the hope that those resources can still be healthy in the future.
Through earned recognition, we can prove that we as farmers, we are responsible environmentalists, really.
We live in Pembrokeshire, which is a fantastic part of the world. On three sides of us are water. We don't want to sort of have a negative impact on that water quality.